Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message on this tablet. First of all, open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner of chat window. Now select Files section and pick one of your files over here or click on one of those apps. You can also select those three lines at the top left corner and tap on any of those sources. If you don't want to do any of that, just tap on Audio and Videos filter at the top. Now hold one of your files that you wish to add, in my case audio one. When you're ready, choose Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!